Hello, good afternoon mga ka-Microtech. So ayan, another day, another Microtech configuration na naman po tayo. So ito po yung aming setup para po dun sa mga nagnanakaw ng picture namin. So ito po, binagbago po kami para sa advertisement namin para sa ating Microtech filters. As you can see po, Starlink natin Gen 2 and Gen 3 compatible na po siya, which is ang IP natin 192.168.1.0 subnet mask 24 and yung kanyang bypass IP which is 100.64.0.1 or subnet mask 24 bypass mode. As you can see po dito, plug and play na lang po yung Microtech natin. Ilalagay nyo lang po inside there yung kanyang adapter ng Gen 2 papunta sa port 1 or yung Gen 3 na direct, kasi as we all know po, yung Gen 2 lang yung may adapter. Ito pong Gen 3 direct na po siya. As you can see po dito, pwede natin customize ang Microtech X po natin ay merong 5 ports. Pwede natin customize yung ating port 2, 3, 4, 5. Pwedeng hotspot, pwedeng PPOE, pwedeng VLAN sa Bendo, pwedeng dynamic lang for PisoNet and other configuration. So ayan po, features niya: block torrenting, block high downloads, anti-ISP detect, port forwarding, gaming priority, and porn blocking po is optional. So ayan po, contact nyo lang po, Ronel Villagracia. So 0916-873-154. Don't forget to follow our page and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you po and God bless as always.